Today I'm talking about crypto airdrops and why it's the easiest way to make money. Not only that, it's on a platform called Bybit, which is by far the most superior platform out there. And right now, they're releasing something incredible. If you deposit $100 as a new user, you're actually going to get $20 given to you for absolutely free. Then you can still get involved with the airdrops and things that I'm talking about. I'm going to make a lot of videos about this platform because I truly believe that every trader needs to be here. If you want that $20 that I spoke about, guys, simple. Sign up to a new account. As long as it's within 7 days of KYC, you're going to get that $20 gifted to you. Please make sure you do read the description down below. You're going to read more about it. But disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, just for education purposes only. What do you say? We go and show you exactly what an airdrop is, how you can get some free crypto, and how you can get that $20 bonus. Let's go. All right, guys, so on Bybit, they're doing airdrops all the time. And again, like I said, this is the one platform that I choose to trade with always. Not just because it's absolutely insanely good, but because of all the tools and airdrops and competitions that come with it. So now let's talk a little bit about airdrops on this video, all right? Because it's probably the easiest way to make money in crypto. All right, guys, what you're going to do is go up to the top of Bybit Finance. If you haven't got an account with Bybit, guys, make sure you do get an account right now. And also another way to earn is if you make an account right now, like I said in the introduction, you're actually going to get $20 for absolutely free by depositing $100. So once you go to the earn section, guys, there's many ways that you can earn. An overview, Bybit savings, the on-chain earning, the wealth management, and liquidity mining. And there's many ways to earn. If you click on earn, guys, it's going to take you straight there. All right, this is going to give you an overview of every way that you can earn on this platform. And if you deposit $100 today, you're actually going to get $20 back. Okay, and to get that, all you have to do is KYC your account and make sure that deposit of $100 is accepted before 7 days is up. You cannot withdraw for 7 days, but that's an extra $20 to get involved in everything we're talking about in this video. Now, I want to explain to you what an airdrop actually is, all right? Airdrops are actually distributed free tokens to promote blockchain projects. You can see there's going to be loads of new projects listed on Bybit that you can earn airdrops with. Up at the top where it says Exchange and Web3, if you actually click Web3, okay, this is going to ask you to connect up your wallet, all right? And you can get involved in this. Then you go back to the earn and you can see the airdrop arcade. Inside the airdrop arcade, guys, is where it talks about everything, all right? And all you got to do is install the wallet, finish the task, and you earn these airdrops. So you've got the airdrop arcade, the IDO, the staking, the Bybit staked, and Web3 points. Very simple. And you can literally dive in right this second to $360,000 in airdrops are waiting for you. So let's have a look at some that are going on. So we see here, 500,000 Gemmy. This is an airdrop from a token called Gemmy. If we click on this, it's going to give you a basic overview to what an airdrop for a project looks like. You see Gemmy airdrop, a meme coin with a mission, okay? There's over 7,693 people getting involved in this, and you only have to do one task. You can see here another 16,000. And guys, perfect thing about this is this token could go all the way to the price of Bitcoin, or it could do nothing. So getting involved with these airdrops, you could literally make free crypto that's going to go to a price that you probably won't be able to buy into with the investment savings that you have. All right, and this happens all the time. Magic Eden airdrop, Pell Network airdrop, and there's some massive ones on this. You can see Sui, okay? I've actually talked about this in a previous video. It's huge. Now with the Gamify season, you can see a lot of different ones coming up. 10 million points you'll get if you get on this airdrop, all right? So my point to this is get involved with every airdrop you can because it is literally giving you free money. As we go here to the IDOs, you can see some of the live and upcoming events, okay? You can see lots of different projects releasing their new IDOs on here. It's another way to start earning. But my favorite is airdrop because it is so simple. They're literally going to drop you tokens for doing tasks and you're going to make whatever the price of that crypto in profit, all right? That's how incredible this is. The bonus when you deposit the $100, make sure you know the crypto airdrops are the best way to get there, and make sure you do hit that like button and subscribe to the bell if you want to be notified about the next video. And it's probably going to be again about Bybit because I cannot seem to talk enough about this, making sure that every trader is using this in the future. There's a link down below to become a new user. Let's trade in a smarter way with Bybit.